are
grounded.
Today's episode is Classic Caillou sneaks into the kitchen to get a snack at midnight and gets grounded. It was requested by 4Lifers Badiania.
Man, I feel so tired. It's now 11 p.m., and this means it's time for me to go turn off the computer and get ready for bed. Okay, I'm now ready for bed.
One hour later.
Ugh. I'm starting to get very hungry, and I can't sleep because my stomach started growling a few minutes ago. I'm going to get up and go get myself a midnight snack. Okay, I'm now in the kitchen. I wonder what should I have for a snack? Oh boy. I found myself some milk and a whole plate of chocolate chip cookies that my mom baked. I'm going to have some for my midnight snack. Okay, I poured myself a glass of milk, and I also removed the lid from the plate. Anyways, and now it's time to eat them up. Wow! The milk and cookies are so freaking delicious. Anyways, I'm going to put the dishes in the... Oh no! I broke the dishes. And now my parents are going to kill me that I dropped the dishes and broke it. As soon as they find out, I'm going to be so fricked.
What's going on here? And where did that noise come from? Classic Caillou. Are you the one who broke the dishes and woke us up at midnight?
You better tell us the truth right now, or else there will be some consequences.
Well, both of you guys are going to be so angry when I tell you this. Yes. I was the one who broke the dishes. When I was very hungry, I went to go downstairs in the kitchen to go get myself a midnight snack. I went to go eat and drink some milk and a whole plate of cookies and ate it all. After that, when I was about to go put the dishes in the sink, but I just sneezed and accidentally dropped the dishes and broke it. I am so sorry.
You did what? Oh my god. Classic Caillou. We can't believe you snuck into the kitchen to go get yourself a snack, broke the dishes, and went to go wake us up at midnight.
You know those kind of dishes are very expensive, and now we have to go find a replacement for the dishes that you broke, thanks to you.
That's it, you are grounded for 1 week. And now I'm going to give you a spanking.
Dad, why did you do that for? That really hurts so bad.
We don't care. That's what happens when you broke the dishes and woke us up at midnight.
Now go back upstairs to your room, and go back to bed right now.
Wow.